not on the audiences, it's on the hands of the judges. Ito talaga mahihirapan sila, I'm sure. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen. Teka, mga nagdi-discussion pa daw sila, nahihirapan sila. Alright, pasalamatan muna natin ating mga sponsors. Madison's Bay Beach House. Guys, mag-book na kayo. Fully book na ata sila talaga. Malay nyo, makasingit pa schedule nyo. The XIV Aroma Studio, Floral Creations by Young, Marcus Swimwear, Burst Creative Studio, Aqua Sweet, Scalp Plus, Derma World, and Mogu. Alright, Miss Jen, ready ka na? Alright, Miss Jen, give us your pick.
Yes, good evening. So I would like to comment lang everyone and then good job and I will see you on the grand finals. My choice would be Mr. Mabini Malate.
Mr. Mabini Malate! My goodness! He's already banked 3 today. Congratulations to you, brother. Tatlo, right? You bagged 3 awards today. Alright. Again, to the other honks, huwag kayong mag-alala sa grand finals. And of course, to Mr. Mabini Malate, huwag ka din maging overconfident. Iba ang labanan natin sa grand finals. Again, this is just a pre-pageant. So laban lang na laban, honks. Iba ang labanan next week. And of course, Sir Jonathan. Ano?
Definitely, sa grand finals, iba yung magiging Mr. ano yun. Best in swimwear, iba pa rin yun.
Iba pa, of course.
But for tonight, my choice is Mr. Lordizabal Sampalo.
Mr. Lordizabal Sampalo! Congratulations to you! I do believe he's the first winner. Yeah. First time na nalang Mr. Lordizabal. Sir Carlo, before you pick your choice, I want to thank Marcus for the awesome swimwear that our awesome honks are wearing. Ayan. So congratulations to Brian, and congratulations to you, brother. And of course, congratulations to Sir Mabini Malate. Our last pick!
Okay, again, yung naging natin, pre-finals natin, walang bearing to for the grand finals, no? Depende pa rin sa magiging performance,
right,
sa magiging support ng mga handlers natin at ng mga audience natin. They need your support, guys, so malaking bagay sa kanila yung na-boost nila yung kanilang confidence dahil sa mga applause nila.
Yes.
Okay? So for me, for this, for tonight, pre-pageant, my choice is Mr. General Luna Malate. What's this? General Luna Malate.
Oh! Rio Rosero! There you go, General Luna Malate. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The top 3 next week, we will get to know kung sino ba yung mga panalo sa ating top 3 contenders in every segment. And don't forget to grab your ticket.